Withdrawal of Candidature. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guidelines of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guidelines or rules or laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to understand the procedure of withdrawal of candidature, know about the time or duration to submit the form for withdrawal of candidature, explain the legal provisions regarding the withdrawal of candidature, understand the different forms used while dealing with withdrawal of candidature, prepare the list of contesting candidates, know the different types of risks and how to manage or avoid them. Withdrawal Notice Form 5. Validly nominated candidate may withdraw their candidature after scrutiny process is over by giving a notice in Form 5 up to 3 p.m. on the last date fixed for withdrawal of candidatures. Last date of withdrawal will be the second day after the day of scrutiny unless that day happens to be a public holiday. On the day of scrutiny and the next day, withdrawal notice can be submitted anytime during usual office hours. Candidature may be withdrawn on any intervening day during normal working hours of the office of RO and not necessarily up to 3 p.m. on those days. The activities at the time of submission of withdrawal notice should be videographed. It cannot be submitted on public holiday. Any withdrawal after the last hour is invalid and has no legal effect on withdrawal of candidature. Withdrawal Procedure. Application or notice in Form 5 duly signed by the candidate is to be submitted only in person by candidate, any of his proposers or election agent of the candidate. If notice is submitted by proposers or election agent, then along with the withdrawal notice, there must be written authorization letter from the candidate authorizing the proposer or the election agent to submit the notice. Form 5 contains in its bottom portion a receipt. RO shall fill it and hand over to the person who delivers the notice. RO shall keep the remaining portion of Form 5. Valid withdrawal not to be cancelled. Once a candidate has validly withdrawn, he cannot be allowed to cancel such withdrawal and to continue as a candidate. Form 5 is shown on your screen. Publication of notices of withdrawal. Form 6. As soon as any valid notice of withdrawal is received, they shall be published as a notice in Form 6 on RO's notice board. Form 6 is shown on your screen. To prepare list of contesting candidates, immediately after 3 p.m. and after allotment of symbol on last day for withdrawal, list of contesting candidates, that is Form 7A, shall be prepared. Names of the candidates to be provided in same manner as in the list of validly nominated candidates alphabetically under 3 categories: recognized national or state political party of your state, registered unrecognized political party, or independent candidates. To be noted, no hierarchy between national and state party for this purpose. Photo of the candidate will also be there in addition to party affiliation and symbol. Form 7A is shown on your screen. To publish and supply or distribute the list of contesting candidates. Publish list at conspicuous or prominent place in RO's office. Supply copy of list to contesting candidates or election agent. This list will be published outside each polling station on day of poll. Inform CEO immediately along with symbols allotted to them by fastest means of communication. Delay will affect printing of ballot papers. Send copy of list with English translation to ECI. Publish list of contesting candidates in official gazette as per Rule 11.2 of Conduction of Election Rules 1961. Arrange for such printing through CEO. To be noted, publish notification as prescribed by ECI. Prepare the list even in a case of uncontested election but not necessary to publish in official gazette. Relevant IT tools Encore withdrawal. Through Encore, mark withdrawal of candidature. Allot symbol and finalize the list of contesting candidates in Form 7A. The output of this application is displayed to the candidate via Candidate app, to Citizens Affidavit Portal, Voter Helpline app and PWD app. Thus, both the candidate as well as citizens can follow the decision of the RO. In case of any doubt or any clarification, you can contact through the mail address shown on the screen. For other election related videos, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.